In this video, we are going to show you how to get a 10% discount on Coohom.com. Now, Coohom.com is a leading browser-based cloud-native 3D interior design and visualization platform designed for rapid floor planning, 3D modeling, and more. And if you want to get a 10% discount, all you need to do is click on the link that we have provided on the description below, and it's going to bring you to this page here. Now, once you are here, you want to create a new account by clicking Get Started. Once you've logged in, you want to go back to this page and click on pricing over here on the top portion, like so. It's going to bring you to where you have various tools or services that Coohom offers. And all you need to do for this example, let's just click here, Start Now on Coohom Pro. And it's going to show you a pop-up. This is pretty much your checkout page, your order summary. And there's going to be the option here under order summary that says have a promo code. So click on this, and here you can just enter the code that we have right now, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now, and click apply. And as you can see, promo code discount has been enabled, and just go through the standard checkout process and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.